Hello everyone! A huge welcome to all of you. Today's video is going to be very special, so make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
What can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before?